Here's why you should start using Canva as your graphic designing software, especially when you're a beginner or has 0% skills in graphic designing. Let me show you why. To start using Canva, just go to Google and type canva.com. And then you need to sign up. You can use a Google account or a Facebook account to sign up. In my case, I'm just going to log in using my Google account. Now here's what is great about Canva. The first is their templates. It has ready-made templates for your social media needs or posting, for your personal brand, for like invitation cards or resume, for your business as well. You can make your presentations here, for your banners on your website. You need business card designing. You can do it all in here. If you need posters, flyers, or infographics, they have that one too. You can also use this. You can also use their templates for educational purposes. And for the trending ones like to post in your TikTok, you can use this one as well. Now to start designing, immediately you can see the create a design button where you get to pick what type of template you want to use. In our case, for this example, let's try to make a simple poster for my car wash business. So let's type poster. And as you can see, they have a lot of poster templates with different sizing. As you hover over the element, it will show you how big it is or what the size of the poster will be. So let's try this one. Once redirected, the first thing you need to do is name your poster. In my case, this is gonna be AJ Car Wash. So let's say we are looking for a template for a car wash business poster. So in this left side corner, we just need to search a car template. And they will suggest some templates that we can customize, like this one. And once ready, we can customize all the elements in here, like the color. We can customize the color. We can customize the text. They have lots of texts here or fonts. Let's try to use this one. Car wash. We can resize. We can also add effects to our text. So to do that, you just need to select the text, and in this corner, in this top side, just click effects, and we can select the style of the effect. Shadow, lift, hollow, splice, or maybe let's try to use this glitch effect. And we can customize how much we put that style in our text. So the direction, let's go with this one. We can also give a curve to our text. So this one, I'm bringing this AJ's. Let's try to give this a bit more size. 100. Let's make it even bigger. You can also adjust the spacing in between of the text. So as you can see, the spacing in between as well as the spacing if it's a paragraph or a phrase, car. We can use this one. We can crop some of the image. Let's try to add some effects to our text. We can resize this. Now open. You can group and ungroup so that you won't have to move them separately. Just group them. And there you go. We can also add some patterns or elements in the background if you want to. So here we just need to search for a car pattern. If you notice, there's a crown symbol for some of the elements, meaning you need to try the Canva Pro. They have a 30-day free trial for this. You may try. In our case, we just need to find a free one. Let's just try car. Here you go. We can resize this and position this at the back and change its opacity. And there we have a poster. As simple as that. It doesn't even take hours, or it's just 10 minutes to design this. And once you're done and you're satisfied with your work, you can download it as a PDF and start posting this in your social media accounts. And there you go. We have a poster, a professional looking poster, without ever needing to pay someone to do this for yourself. It's very easy, and that's why you should start using